So friends, welcome to a new video, and this thing came in the mailbox from AliExpress. So let's do the unboxing. I don't remember the purchase date or the shipping mailing company, so I'll leave that, mention it in the video description or the comment section when this thing when the video goes up. And I had paid around 80 or 90 rupees. That's $1.5 for this. So here's this thing. It looks quite solid and not that heavy, but a small weight, well built, extremely well built. So let's see what are the features in this. This is the Wallet Ninja Survival multi-tool. So first you can see here you have a ruler up to 5 centimeter. Then you have a letter opener. This is the letter opener, and a box opener. This one is a box opener. So you have two openers, letter and a box opener. You also have and one more opener, that's bottle opener. This is the bottle opener, and one more can opener. So this is the can opener. So that means there are four openers that we saw till now. And then you have a screwdriver over here. This edge can act as a screwdriver. It's a bit slim on this side compared to the other edges. And also one more screwdriver on this edge. This can also act as a screwdriver, this thing. And there's one more screwdriver over here. So three edges act as screwdriver heads. Then you have peeler. You have a peeler kind of thing. Don't know what's that used for. Let me have a look. It is a peeler. It doesn't say what's that for. Then there's something called heads. So you have four these things, 1 2 3 4 and 5 things. This is 4 heads, 8 heads, 12, 10 and 6. You also have a 2 heads over here. So here is for 2, 6, 10, 12, 8 and 4. So there are 6 different hedges. Maybe this is for opening the screws or something. Then you have a cell phone stand. So if you place your credit card in this slot, this thing doesn't go. Let me just bring it up something. So if you place a credit card inside this slot, then it acts as a smartphone stand. And what else does it have? It has the Wallet Ninja branding. Actually not branding, what do you say? It's cutout Wallet Ninja. And I think that's it. Can't see anything else. Not able to find anything else, any other tool. It says inch ruler, screwdriver, bottle opener. Then you have a can opener, peeler over here, screwdriver again, and there are 6 hexes. Then again screwdriver, cell phone stand, which was this, box opener, That's this letter opener and eyeglass screwdriver. So one of these screwdrivers is for repairing the eyeglasses, for fitting the screw, and centimeter ruler. So that's that. Okay, so here are two different things. On this side you get 2-inch ruler, while here you have 5 centimeter ruler. So that's the reason they mentioned two different rulers. So there are 5 or 10 different items. There is also a pro version available, Wallet Ninja Pro, which gives more features in the same size, but that's not available in AliExpress. So I might have to find it from somewhere else. It might be available on Amazon US, but that's too costly to import from there. So this was it, the unboxing of Wallet Ninja Wallet Ninja Survival Multitool. And this thing goes inside my credit card shaped items collection. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.